Oh no, my pinch pot, it's too wide. I wanted it to be big and tall. Whatever will I do? Plus, oh no, look, it's starting to crack right there. Uh-oh, what should I do?
Don't fret about it. Just cut out a V. Like that. And like like that. Just cut out a V.
Well, that doesn't look very good. It's still wide.
Well, then you gotta fold that V over. Fold it over. Overlap a little bit on the inside and on the out. And squish it. Pinch it again. You remember you pinched to make that pot. Pinch it again. There you go. There you go. Smooth out that seam. Look how tall that pinch pot got. Alright, nice work. If you want to, you can V out the other side too. Fold it over and pinch it up. Pinch, pinch, equal, and opposite. Right? Okay. Smooth it out. Smooth it in. Let the fun begin. Hey, now you even got a different kind of pot. It's long. It's a long pot.
Hey, I kind of like that.
So do I. Great minds think alike.